In today's video, I'm going to teach you beginner setup and introduction to Slack. Slack is a channel-based messaging platform that helps teams communicate in a much more organized way than long email chains. Instead of searching through scattered messages, you can keep conversations, files, and updates in one central workspace. In this guide, we'll walk through the basic setup and the key features you'll use every day. To begin, download the official Slack app on the devices you plan to use. On desktop, go to slack.com, download in your web browser, and choose the correct installer for your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Run the installer and complete the setup so Slack is ready to launch from your computer. On mobile, open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Slack, and install it there as well. Having both desktop and mobile access makes it much easier to stay in sync when you're away from your desk. Once Slack is installed, open the app and sign in. You can either click sign in directly or use your team's invitation link if one was provided. After you enter your workspace, one of the first things you should do is update your profile. Click your profile picture in the corner of the app, open your profile, and choose Edit Profile. From there, add your full name, choose a clear display name, and upload a profile photo. This makes it much easier for teammates to recognize you quickly, especially in larger workspaces. Next, take a moment to understand the two main ways conversations are organized in Slack. In the left sidebar, you'll see channels and direct messages. Channels are shared spaces for team communication. Public channels are open to broader groups, while private channels are limited to invited members only. Direct messages, or DMs, are better for one-on-one chats or small group conversations that don't need to be part of a public discussion. When you're ready to start messaging, click into a channel and type in the message field. A very important habit in Slack is using threads. If you want to respond to a specific message, hover over it and select Reply in Thread. This keeps follow-up conversations attached to the original message instead of cluttering the main channel. You can also mention teammates by typing the @ symbol followed by their name to send them a direct notification. If needed, you can use @ here to notify people who are currently active in that channel. Finally, set up your notifications so Slack stays useful without becoming distracting. Open your profile menu, go to Preferences, then Notifications. A good starting point is to receive alerts only for direct messages, mentions, and keywords rather than every new message. Then set your notification schedule to match your working hours so Slack automatically silences alerts outside that time. That is all. Thank you for watching, and